Remove the bumpers with the Torx 20 screwdriver and keep the screws for reuse. Remove the cord if it is wrapped around the machine. Slide on the upper tank bracket and reattach it using the original screws. Free the power cord from the bottom of the recovery tank. Place the recovery tank onto the back of the machine. Use the provided hardware to mount the vac tank with a 7/16 socket. Attach the bottom of the tank using the other bolt through the bracket. Tighten the bracket screws to the tank with a Torx 20 screwdriver. Attach the cable bracket using a 7/16 socket. Remove the Velcro from the cable bracket. With the vac tank installed, place the solution tank onto the handle. The Velcro will hold it in place. Hook the actuator to the ball valve. If you're attaching the drip bar to a pivot, slide the mounting plates into position and secure the weights on top. Use a 7/16 socket to loosely connect the brackets to the mounting plates. Slide the drip bar into place and tighten the brackets. If you're attaching the drip bar to a square light, use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosely connect the brackets to the holes on the front of the base. Attach the clear hose to the drip bar. Attach the other end to the bottom of the solution tank. Plug the recovery tank into the 3-way plug between the handle and the motor of the floor machine. Attach the squeegee to the axle. Attach the vacuum hose to the vacuum tank. Attach the other end to the squeegee. Hook the hose onto the holder on the back and place the crevice tool in its holster for convenient storage. Fill the tank with cleaning solution. Flip the switch on. Press the lever to release solution through the drip bar. Squeeze the handle trigger to start operating the machine and vacuum. To pour out unused solution from the solution tank, make sure the trigger is in the closed position, then unhook the valve actuator and hose. Lift the tank off the machine and empty it. To empty the recovery tank, open the cap at the base of the tank.